At SCG, we are committed to develop quality products for a better living experience. SCG Acoustic is our innovative product made from high-quality glass wool, which is recognized worldwide acoustic material. It performs to reduce sound transmission between rooms and control sound reverberation in the room. The first stage of the design room acoustics is to prevent noise transmission with SCG Acoustic for wall insulation Silence Sound Block to reduce sound transmission between rooms to meet the requirement and/or regulation. It is suitable for assembly with brick walls and drywall system. STC rating is the criteria to select and design for sound insulation performance. The higher STC rating, the better sound insulation of the wall system. Next step is to control sound reverberation in the room. Generally, a room with high reverberation or echo will result in poor acoustic quality. Therefore, fixing this problem with lining sound-absorbing materials can drastically improve acoustic quality in the room. Sound-absorbing performance is represented in NRC value. SCG Acoustic for walls and ceilings provide high NRC value and are available in various models. SCG Acoustic for decorative wall, Silence Sandera, is lightweight and easy to install. It is suitable for living rooms, home theaters, music rooms, conference rooms, music rehearsal rooms, and karaoke rooms. SCG Acoustic for wall, Silence Softone, is covered with high durability fiberglass cloth, which is suitable for use in machine rooms and industrial applications. SCG Acoustic for ceiling, Silence Armax, is an acoustic ceiling tile laminated with white vinyl facing. It performs as an excellent acoustic as well as a thermal insulation. It is easily installed and will be able to maintain good appearance and performance over time. SCG Acoustic for ceiling, Silence Wondery, is a high-density ceiling tile laminated with white color glass mat. With an exceptional acoustic performance, it can absorb noise and reduce sound reverberation in the room. To provide a solution for solving noise problem, SCG Silence Expert Team is ready to consult our customers to select the acoustic materials to match their needs. Our acoustic engineers also provide a full service of sound measurement, noise analysis, construction design, and installation with the advanced equipment of international standard solutions. SCG. We are ready to be your acoustic solution provider to deliver a better living experience.